Hello students, today we are going to learn a topic about trade and exchange in Indus civilization. Book page number 27, Trade and Exchange. The Harappans had close trade links with the Mesopotamians. Harappan seals have been found in the West Asian sites, namely Oman, Bogran, Iraq and Iran. The cuneiform inscriptions mention the trade contacts between Mesopotamia and the Harappans. The mention of Meluhha is the cuneiform inscriptions is considered to refer to the Indus region. Explanation. The civilization's economy appeared to have depended significantly on trade which was facilitated by major advances in transport technology. The Harappan civilization may have been the first to use wheeled transport in the form of bullock carts that are identical to those seen throughout South Asia today. Harappan seals have been founded in the West Asia sites, namely Oman, Bogran, Iraq, and Iran. The cuneiform inscriptions mention the trade contacts between the Mesopotamia and the Harappans. There was an extensive maritime trade network operating between the Harappans and the Mesopotamian civilization. Harappan seals and jewels have been found at archaeological sites in regions of Mesopotamia, which including most of modern day Iraq, Kuwait, and part of Syria. The Mesopotamians speak of Meluva as a land exotic commodities. A wide variety of objects produced in the Indus regions has founded or sites in Mesopotamia. Book page number 27. Weights and measures. The Harappa developed a system of proper weights and measures. Since they engaged in commercial transactions, they needed standard measures. The cubical chart weights are found at the Harappan sites. The copper plates for weighting balance have also been found. The weights point to their knowledge of the binary system. The ratio of weighting is doubled as 1 is to 2 is to 4 is to 8 is to 16 is to 32. Explanation. Harappans were among the first to develop a system of uniform weights and measures that conformed to a successive scale. Cubical weights in graduated size. These sizes conform to the standard Harappan's binary weight system that was used in all of the settlements. The smallest weight in this series is 0.856 grams and the most common weight is approximately 13.7 grams, which is in the 16th ratio. The copper plates for weighting balance have also been founded. Page number 27. Seals, sealing, and scripts. The seals from various media such as steatite, copper, terracotta, and ivory are found in the Harappan sites. They were probably used in the trade activities. The Harappan script is not yet deciphered. About 5,000 texts have been documented from the Harappan sites. Some scholars are of the view that the script is in their Dravidian language. Explanation. Harappans were thought to have been proficient in seal carving, the cutting of pattern into the bottom face of a seal, and used distinctive seals for the identification of property and to stamp clay on trade goods. They were probably used in trade activities. Page number 28. Arts and Achievement. The terracotta figurines, paintings on the potteries and the bronze images from the Harappan sites suggest the artistic skills of the Harappans. The priest king made of steatite and the dancing girl made of bronze from both from Mohenjo-daro, as well as stone sculptures from Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and Dolvira are the important objects of art. Toy carts, radles, wheels, hopes, tops, marbles, and hope sketches made in terracotta suggest the amusement of the Harappan people. Explanation. Indus Valley excavation sites have been revealed a number of distinct examples of cultural art. including sculptures, seals, potteries, gold jewels, and anatomically detailed figures in terracotta, bronze, and cited, more commonly known as soapstone. Among the various gold, terracotta, and stone figures found a figure of a priest king displayed a bride and patterned robe. Another figure is in bronze known as the dancing girl is also only 11 centimeter high and shows a female figure in a pose that suggests the presence of some choreographed dance from enjoyed by members of the civilization. See book page number 28, Religion. The Index people had a close relationship with nature. They worshipped people trees. Some of the terracotta figures resemble the mother goddess. Fire altars have been identified at Kalambakam. The Index people buried the dead. Burials were done elaborately and evidence for cremation has also been found. Explanation. The Harappan religion remains a topic of speculation. It has been widely suggested that the Harappans worshipped a mother goddess who symbolified fertility. The purple tree was considered most scarce. Fire altars have been identified at Kalambakam. The people of Indus Valley disposed of their dead by burial. They buried with death together their household potteries, ornament, and other articles of daily use. See book page number 28. Original inhabitants and their culture. The authors of the Harappan civilization are not known, since the script has not been deciphered. One school of thought argues that they spoke the Dravidian language. The archaeological evidence shows movement of the Harappans to the east and south after the decline of the Indus civilization. It is probable that some of the Harappan people moved into different parts of India. Only the decipherment of the script can give a defined answer. Indus civilization had more than one group of people. Several peoples, including farmers, pastoralists, and hunter gatherers, lived in the Indus region. The Indus region had villages and large towns. The population was mixed. The period of civilization has been divided into early Harappans starting around 3300 BC and continuing to 2600 BC, and mature Harappans are the last phrase civilization from 2600 to 1900 BC. The later Harappan exceeded up to 1700 BC. Explanation. Since Indus script has not been deciphered yet, its use is not known with certainty, and all that we think we know is based on the archaeological evidence only. In this, one school of thought argues that they spoke the Dravidian language. The archaeological evidence shows movement of the Harappans to the east and south after the decline of the Indus civilizations. Only the decipherment of the script can give a definitive answer. Indus civilization had more than one group of peoples. The population was mixed. The Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age civilization in the northwestern region of South Asia. Early Harappan starting around 3300 BC and continuing to 2600 BC, and the mature Harappan are the last phrase civilization from 2600 to 1900 BC. The later Harappan exceed up to 1700 BC. See book page number 28, Decline of Indus culture. The Indus civilization under its Arabian features started declining from about 1900 BC. Changes in climate, decline of the trade with Mesopotamia, and drying up or flooding of the river Indus, foreign invasion were some of the reasons attributed to the collapse of these civilizations and for the migration of people in the southern and eastern directions. It did not completely disappear, it continued as rural culture. Explanation. By 1900 BC, the Indus Valley civilizations saw the beginning of their decline. The reason for this decline are not entirely clear, but it is believed that the drying up of the rivers, a process which had begun around 1900 BC, was the main causes. Other experts speak of the great flood in the area, either even could had catastrophic effects on agricultural activities, making the economy no longer sustainable. And for the migration of people in the southern and the eastern direction, it is not completely disappear, it is continue as a rural area. Page number 29, Index Script, a case study. Cracking the index script. Harappans knew the art of writing. The script is found on a seals in the molded terracotta and on potteries. It has not been deciphered till now because the index texts are very short. The average length of the inscription is less than 5 signs. It has no bilingual text like the rusted stone written in European and Greek. Explanation. As many as 600 distinct index symbols have been found on seals, small tables on potteries, molded terracotta. Typical index inscriptions are no more than 4 or 5 characters in length, most of which are very small. The longest on the single surface, which is less than 1 inch or 2.54 centimeters square, is 17 signs long. It has no bilingual text. The characteristics are largely pictorial but included many abstract signs that do not appear to have changed over time. There is no bilingual inscription to help deciphered the script, and the script shows no significant changes. It was written generally from right to left. Expression. The inscriptions are thought to have been primarily written from right to left. Page number 29, first one. Based on computer analysis, the Russian scholar Yuri Konoroso suggested that the inscriptions have a Dravidian-like word order. Second, the scholar and the researcher Irvada Mahadevan, who has done extensive research on Index civilization, says we may hopeful find that the Proto-Dravidian roots of Harappa language and the South Indian Dravidian language are similar. Explanation. Iravian Mahadevan was an Indian epigraphist and civil servant known for his decipherment of Tamil Brahmini inscriptions and for his experts on the epigraphic of the Indus Valley civilization. He says we may hopeful that find the Proto-Dravidian roots for Harappan language and South Indian Dravidian language are similar. According to the Mahadevan, a stone site discovered in Maidaludurai, Tamil Nadu, has same marking as that of the symbol of the index script. Explanation. According to Mahadevan, a stone select discovered in Mailadurai, Tamil Nadu, had been claimed to contain index symbols being used as late as 1100 BC. Last point. In May 2007, the Tamil Nadu Archaeology Department found parts with arrowhead symbols at Malaperu Pallam near Bumbugar, which resembled the seals in Mohenjo-daro. Explanation. In May 2007, the Tamil Nadu Archaeology Department found pots with arrowhead symbols at Malaperu Pallam near Bumbugar. These symbols are claimed to have a striking resemblance to seals unearthed in Mohenjo-daro in 1920s. According to Parabola, the sign of the Indus script is likely to represent Dravidian mono-symbolic roots. I summarize the topic. The Indus civilization produced a variety of commodities using innovative technologies. It had cultural contact with Western Asia. Students, I hope you understood the topics. Click the below link and do the assignment. Thank you.